Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Nest Thermostat with time of use savings insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Nest Thermostat with time of use savings insights, ensure your device is installed and powered on. Open the Nest app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Nest account if you haven't already. From the home screen, tap on your thermostat. Select Settings from the list of options. Scroll down and choose Time Away to customize when you are not at home. Next, navigate back to the main settings menu. Now, find and select Energy History to gain insights into your usage patterns. Return to the settings and select Savings to find the time of use settings. Choose Time of Use and follow the prompts to set your utility rate plan. Enter the peak and off-peak hours as indicated by your energy provider. Confirm the details for accuracy. Once set, the thermostat will suggest energy-saving adjustments based on your schedule. Set a comfortable temperature for peak hours and lower it for off-peak hours. You can also adjust temperature settings for weekends if your utility plan varies. Monitor alerts and notifications from the app for real-time insights. Check your energy history regularly to see how your changes impact energy usage. Review monthly savings reports the Nest app will generate for your energy costs. If needed, revisit the settings to tweak based on preferences or utility updates. Enjoy a more efficient heating and cooling experience while maximizing savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.